We tried the weekend lunch buffet at Appleview Hotel, but the question is, worth it pa ba siya? Ayaw sa pag-scroll up and watch this video for my honest review. Hello again guys, so for today's video, together with our bosses, Jap and I went to Appleview Hotel para mag-avail sa ilahang weekend lunch buffet. It's been a while guys since last ko naka-lunch buffet diri, and in fairness, daghan gyapog tao guys ha. Maayo na lang nakapa-schedule mi ug nakapa-reserve daan. Sa next clips guys, kay ipakita na ko sa inyo kung unsa tong mga food na available during our visit. Basically guys, kompleto sila na ay pork, na ay chicken, na ay fish, na ay beef. Of course, dili pwede mo absent ang kanon. Na ay fruit station, naapod sila'y bread station, and naapod sila'y pasta station, guys. Pili lang mo kung unsa ang pasta ang gusto ninyo ipaluto and ilaha lang i-deliver sa imuhang table. As a kinilaw, sashimi, and sushi lover mo, ani akong favorite spot. And the buffet already comes with free juice. Ang highlight sa ilahang weekend buffet, guys, is the 8-hour roast beef. Syempre, ni ko adjud mi ana, guys, para testingan. And tara na, guys, sa exciting part, ang pangtilawan ang amuang gipangkaon. Most of what I tried, guys, okay naman siya, especially the roast beef na perting humuka. Pero medyo na-disappoint lang ko sa pork binagoongan. Kulang kaayo sa pagkabagoong, guys, as in. Pero I also want to note that the seafood chowder was really good, you guys. Para naman sa pasta, I ordered carbonara and it was okay lang, guys. Nothing really special in my honest opinion. I think wala na ko siya nahurot, guys. Marag half la akong nakaon ana. Pero in fairness, ang ilang alio olio, guys, it was really good. Very garlicky and not so oily, just the way I like it. For dessert, Jap and I made our own halo-halo. Medyo gamay lang yun ang choices sa toppings, guys, pero bites na pod. And as for the ice cream, I don't know kung unsang brand ang ilahang gigamit, pero ganahan ko sa texture, murag sorbetes na ice cream. Aside from the halo-halo, naasad sila other desserts like this, custard cake, cream puff, and ube truffle. Custard cake was okay lang, guys, for me. The cream puff naman was good, I actually like it, pero ang ube truffle, medyo nakulangan lang dyan ko sa ube flavor. I was also a bit disappointed, guys, kay wala sila butanganan og condiments, katong small good na saucers. Giyabo na lang namudaan ang kikoman sa amuang sashimi and sushi. Maski na may areas that needs improvement, guys, kay overall satisfied mangyapon mi sa amuang buffet lunch sa Appleview. Mo aday ni ilang rates, guys, paki-take note na lang. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye!